Have you ever wondered what you're actually going to do with your Pi once the Pi network fully opens? I'm here with the answer, and the answer to that is known as Pi Launchpad. So as of March 2026, it was officially released on the Pi ecosystem, but it is still on the live testing method. So it is not on the mainnet, so it is just on live testing. So in this video, I'm going to explain what it is, what you need to know about it, and how it is actually going to be a total game changer for every pioneer. So let's start by understanding what the Pi Launchpad actually means. I want you to see think of the Pi Launchpad as a launchpad for rockets. But in this case, I want you to see those rockets as new apps, new games, services which are built by developers. So before this launchpad was actually introduced on Pi, these developers already had these ideas, but they have no way of bringing it to you. This is why they're introducing it to you through the system known as the launchpad. So the launchpad is actually going to be like a bridge. It is like an app store that is specifically for the Pi ecosystem, where they can actually start new projects and also give their own special token. That is what the launchpad is for. So you must have been hearing about this other one, which is known as the Protocol 20 upgrade. So I don't want that name to actually get you confused. I want you to think of it as a software update for your phone. There are some software updates on your phone, like when your phone demands you to get it updated, and you just click on updates and get your phone updated. So I want you to see it as well as an update, but it is a software update that has to do with the entire Pi blockchain. So this update, which is known as the Protocol 20, has actually made a very solid ground enough to build on. This Protocol 20 actually allows things which are called the smart contracts. So let me give you a quick example in order for you to understand what this Protocol 20 actually means. So let's say if I give you 5 Pi, the system is automatically going to give me 10 game coins with no middleman and no stress. I think that is actually what this is all about. Like me giving you 5 Pi and the system automatically giving me 10 games coin in return without no middleman or even any stress. So that is what you need to know about Protocol 20 as well. So why is this Pi Launchpad actually going to become a game changer for every pioneers? I have 3 reasons why I think that the Pi Launchpad is actually going to become a very big deal and a game changer for every pioneers. So the first one, unlike other crypto projects where people just sell hyping their projects, Pi is actually different. Pi actually requires developers to have a working app first. No app, no launch. You actually need a Pi app in order for you to be able to make use of the Pi ecosystem. Many other projects does not have an app. You only mine them through websites. So secondly, why I think this is actually going to become a game changer is your safety. They say safety first. So when you support a project, your Pi actually goes into a safety pool. So in order for you to make sure the new token actually have a value, this launchpad is actually going to help you to prevent scam as well. So that is why the launchpad is actually going to become a game changer as well. Now thirdly, your Pi is actually a golden ticket. So you can use your Pi to get into this new project early. If you have this feature on your Pi, you can actually use it to get into new projects early. It is actually a way of turning your mining effort into early access for new big things. So these are the 3 reasons why I think this is actually going to become a very big changer on the Pi network. If you have any question, you can actually ask me on the comment section. I'm not going to hesitate to give you a feedback very shortly. So what do you need to do now? You don't need to panic. You don't need to do anything. What you need to do now, since it is actually still on the testing phase, in order for you to access it, you need to go to your Pi browser, scroll like this, and click on Launchpad. You can play around and test the Pi using the test Pi. It does not actually cost any money yet. So you need to understand that this is actually going to be the final rehearsal before the mainnet actually launch it for real. So this is what you need to know about the Pi Launchpad. So in conclusion, I would actually say that the Pi Launchpad is the sign that the mining era is gradually turning into the using era, where we get to use the token that you have been mining for a very long time. We aren't just clicking on a button anymore. We are now building a whole new economy. So if you found this tutorial helpful and you actually got value from this video, do it, hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next video.